What is going on, passive income family? To get to the point of this video, I've been using a product that I haven't necessarily been talking to anyone about or even sharing, which I feel is a bit selfish on my part. This is going to be something that you plug into your OBD-I or OBD2 something, I forget what it's called at the moment. It's underneath your steering wheel. This is actually a universal piece that I use for multiple cars of mine. I've even gifted it to people, and the results of what you get after purchasing this instant tune that gives you extra horsepower while helping you on gas mileage significantly. I'm not even joking with you guys. This is not really much of a pitch. It's just to explain to you guys what I've been using, how convenient it's been for me, and how it's been helping many people that I've been getting it for, and people who've just been using my car day in and day out. They do always make a comment about my gas mileage. It always lasts a lot more than the average vehicle, and I never thought it was possible, but I gave it a shot. And that's what you got to do in life sometimes. Sometimes you just got to take the risk to see if it's worth it. And if it's worth it, you could be receiving a lot more than just your initial investment. Called the Instant HP. And what it does is it has a universal plug-in over there. And you just plug it into the bottom of the port, and you're going to hold, there's a little hole right here. The hole right here, you just put in a little paper clip, just hold it in for 30 seconds, and that's just going to reset the brain of this chip and tuner to your car's frequencies, and just, you know, it kind of just measures everything between communications from your car to your tuner and your gas saver. So keep in mind that this does give you power, and that was my initial reason why I purchased it, because I wanted more power. However, the truth of the fact is, even though it's advertised as a power booster, it's more better to be considered a gas saver, because this is really why I keep it around. The gas saving on this is just spectacular. It's very tremendous, and it's worth it. So if you're interested in one of these, I'm gonna just leave it in the link down below where I bought mine a couple of years ago, and I hope it works for you. Please let me know in the comments down below how it's changed your life, taken expenses off your pocket, and just saved you when it comes to gas on a regular basis. That's going to be concluding today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.